Airbus Helicopters is the world leader in civil and military helicopters with more than 12,000 helicopters in service. To produce our helicopters, we study lots of different simulations. This means we have a huge amount of data to handle. Our first challenge is to manage all this simulation data, ensure collaboration with all the departments involved in the development cycle, and make it easily accessible. To meet all these challenges, we need an SPDM solution: simulation, process, and data management. And for that, we rely on Dassault Systèmes' 3D Experience platform. This means we have a single, accessible, and shareable source of data that can easily be retrieved and reused. Also, the solution ensures traceability from the input data to the resulting data, which will be used to inform decision-making, including during certification. Thanks to the 3D Experience platform, we've deployed the SPDM backbone, which becomes the cornerstone for managing our simulation studies. This means we'll have better productivity, as well as better quality, because we've digitalized our workflows and will be able to use the right data at the right time. Therefore, we'll be able to better leverage this data, democratize it, and thus improve reproducibility. Ultimately, the goal is to bring digital continuity to the world of simulation.